Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Current Study IQ, and in today's section I am going to discuss the INET 2019 paper which was conducted for the very first time in 2019. This video is going to be very helpful if you are appearing in 2020 INET examination. In this section I will discuss English, Mathematics, GK based on the memory. Before starting off any other thing, this is our Instagram page. Do follow this. This is surely going to help you in various examination. Okay. Who is the first Chief Election Commissioner of our India? The answer is Sukumar Sen. And he served from 1950 to 1958 as a Chief Election Commissioner. Presently, we are having Sunil Arora as a Chief Election Commissioner, and he is our 23rd Chief Election Commissioner. And if I'll ask you when was Election Commission formed? So the answer for that is 25th Jan 1950. This is very important. Ahilyabai Holkar Award is given for what? This is India's highest civilian award for recognition and achievements of women's. It is awarded on the day of International Women's Day on 8th March every year. Where was the first session of the Constituent Assembly held? It held in New Delhi, and Dr. Sachidanand being elected as the president of this assembly. Which was the first Indian state to be affected by plague? The answer for that is Gujarat, and started in Surat. TRIM stands for Trade Related Investment Measures. Who is the recipient of Dadasai Phalke Award? Actually, this question was having four options, and in that option, Ompuri was the right answer. And if I'll ask you who is the recent awardee of this award, so the answer for that is Amitabh Bachchan. He is awarded in 2019 with Dadasai Phalke Award. And the very first recipient of this award is Devika Rani in 1969. This award started in 1969. And if I'll ask you who was the first male, the answer for that is Birendranath Sarkar. And he got this in 1970. What is the currency of Bulgaria? That is Bulgarian lev. And if I'll ask you what is the capital of Bulgaria, that is Sofia. What is the capital of Sudan? That is Khartoum. And it is also the junction of Blue Nile River and White Nile River. So this is important. ISDN full form, or it stands for Integrated Services Digital Marketing. Where's the maximum concentration of ozone in the atmosphere is? And that is in stratosphere. And if I'll ask you the four layers or five layers of atmosphere, these are troposphere, stratosphere, ionosphere, mesosphere. Sorry, mesosphere is the third one, ionosphere is the fourth one, and exosphere is the last one. So this is the sequence. Okay, what is tropopause? This was also asked in the examination. It's the transition zone which separates troposphere with stratosphere. Tropopause lies somewhere around this position. Okay. Which of the following cities has been named as the World Capital of Architecture for 2020? And the answer is Rio de Janeiro. That is in Brazil. And what's the full form of UNESCO? The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Chromatography was discovered by Mikhail Swift. He was a Russian botanist. And also if they ask you the application of chromatography like HPCL is used in DNA fingerprinting and bioinformatics. So this is very important. This was asked also in other examination. Jobani is a dance form performed by the Dimasas community who is there in Assam and Nagaland states of northeastern India. This question was also asked in CDS examination. Ajanta caves was built by Satvahana dynasty. Very important. According to the cultural history of India, the term Panchayatan stands for See, this question was asked in UPSC examination, and we can see that so many examinations are copying the general services, the GS paper of UPSC examination. So it's very important for us to go through them once. So Panchayatan is the temple construction style. What is net national product? NNP. That is GNP minus depreciation. This was the option given in that. This was the question option given in that question. And if they give you with income from abroad and depreciation, then the answer is GDP plus income from abroad minus depreciation. NNP also stands for national income. If we divide it by our population, this will equals to the per capita income. Okay, with same kinetic energy, which will have more momentum. So we can see that kinetic energy is equals to half mv square. That means kinetic energy is equals to half m. In place of v, we can replace p upon m, because momentum is equals to m into v. So kinetic energy will be equals to half p square by m. Therefore, momentum p will be related as kinetic energy twice of m under root. So the object who is the heavier one, which have higher mass, since the same kinetic energy is listed here, so the object with higher mass will have more momentum. So electron is not there. Deuteron is the nucleus of deuterium ion. So it's more heavier than the hydrogen ion. So right answer is C here. Who presented the preamble to the drafting committee? The right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. People get confused with this by the name of B.R. Ambedkar, but he was the one who presented the preamble to the drafting committee. And if we talk about the drafting committee, it had 7 members, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was elected as the chairman of this committee. NH4Cl is which type of solution? NH4Cl is formed by a strong acid and a weak base. Strong acid and a weak base. It forms by the neutralization of these two elements. So it is acidic in nature. So it can be termed as an acidic salt. Name the biggest planet. We all know this, Jupiter. And it's about 11 times the Earth's diameter. Rohira National Park is located in which state? The answer for that is Himachal Pradesh, which is the India's third generation fire and forget missile, that is Nag missile. Which INS was inaugurated in 24 January by Sunil Lamba? That is INS Kohasa. Which Indian state has made compulsory voting for the local body polls? That is Gujarat. Museum which was inaugurated by Modi near Red Fort, that is Subhash Chandra Bose Museum. What is the synonym of nebulous? Nebulous means very unclear or dirty thing. That is, so the answer for that is unclear or misty. And antonym of erudite. Erudite means a very educated person. So the antonym for that is uneducated, uncultured. Sound wave can't travel through vacuum. Sound needs a medium to travel. Okay, coming on to the maths portion, there was some very good questions asked. Good basic questions were asked in INET examination. So let us do them. The sum of two numbers is 2490. It's quite clear, we can write like x plus y is equals to 2490. 6.5% of one number is equals to 8.5% of another number. So that means 6.5% of one number is equals to 8.5% of that number. So from that we can use this equation 6.5x minus 8.5y is equals to 0. Solving these two equations, we will get by substitution, you'll get x is equals to 1411 and y is equals to 1079, and they are asking you the bigger number, so the right answer is 1411. Some people will mark 1079 even after calculating the right answer, so the bigger number is 1411. In a river, a boat going downstream 24 kilometer in 4 hours and same distance in upstream in 6 hours. Then find the speed of boat in still water. This is a very prime and basic question of the stream problem. The speed of boat in still water, let it be x, and the speed of stream be y. So the first equation is this speed is equals to distance upon time, and the second equation is this. So from this, x will come 5 and y will come 1. So the speed of boat in still water is 5 kilometer per hour. Goldman Prize is given in which field? It is given in the field of environment, or it can be given to the environmental activists. The currency of Denmark is Danish krone and the capital of Denmark is Copenhagen. OTEC stands for Ocean Thermal Energy Conversion, not conservation, it's conversion. Base year for calculating national income, that is 2011 and 12. Okay, coming on this maths problem, this is written as 25 cos square theta plus 5 cos theta minus 12 is equals to 0, and they are asking you the value of sine 2 theta. What will be sine 2 theta here? So we can assume cos theta as t. So our equation will become 25 t square plus 5t minus 12 is equals to 0. So using the Sri Dharacharya formula, we can easily calculate the value of t. The Dharacharya formula is like minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So t will come 30 by 50, the very first option, and the second one will be minus 40 by 50. So this is the acceptable value in this case, because it is given to you that theta lies between pi and pi by 2. So that means cos will be negative. So this is the acceptable value here. So cos theta will be minus 0.8 here. Now we can easily calculate sine theta's value, that is 1 minus cos square theta under root, that will come under root 0.36, that is 0.6. So sine theta is equals to 0.6, cos theta is equals to minus 0.8. We can easily calculate sine 2 theta's value, that is 2 sine theta cos theta, that is 2 into 0.6 into minus 0.8. This will come minus 0.96. Why this is coming negative? Because theta lies between 0 to pi by 2. Therefore 2 theta will lie between pi and 2 pi, and in this period sine is negative. Therefore the right answer is minus 0.96. 0.96 was also given in the options, so this is the right answer. A cone have a volume V which located on origin and central axis passes through y axis, is filled by water at half of height. Volume of the water. Volume of the cone is given to you. They are asking you the volume of the water. This is the schematic diagram we can form, and this is the axis. Let us assume the height of cone be 2h, and this is given, it is filled up to h. Let the radius of the cone be r and the radius of water cone be small r. So we can see that by similarity of triangle, we can see that r by small r will be equals to 2h upon h. This is basic similarity of triangle, which implies capital R will be equals to 2r. Now the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the very first equation, and the volume of the water will be equals to, if we calculate using this formula, that is 1 by 3 pi small r square into h. In place of capital R, we will replace this and calculate the ratio. So V upon, not V1, V upon V2 will be equals to 1 by 3 pi 2r square h into 2 upon 1 by 3 pi small r square into h. So using this, we will come 8 times of V2, which implies V2 will be V upon 8. So this is the volume of water which is there. Okay, this is the question of successive discount. They are asking you the difference between the 40% discount price of 1000 rupee product and the successive discount price of 35 and 5 on 1000. So when 40% is discount is there on 1000 rupee product, it is quite obvious the selling price will be 600. But when successive discount is there, this formula for that is 1 minus d1 by 1000, sorry 100, 1 minus d2 by 100 into the marked price. And if you put the value of 35 and 5 in place of d1 and d2, you will get it 617.5 rupees. This is the selling price. And he is asking you the difference between these two. So the answer is 17.5 rupees. In another way, we can also do this. We can calculate the overall discount rate, that is calculated by x plus y minus xy upon 100%. Putting x is equals to 5 and y is equal 35 and y is equals to 5, y is equals to 5, we will get the overall discount, or we can see the equivalent discount, that will be 38.25%. And if we apply this discount on that price, the article will be sold by a lesser amount of 382.5. So the answer will be same, 617.5. So you can use either of the ways. Okay. Women who performed bike stunt at 70th Republic Day Parade, that is Captain Shikha Surbi, and she became the very first woman to perform bike stunts. The best period for Hindu revival, that is the revival of that is also the revival of Brahmanism. That's the period of Gupta rule from between 320 AD to 480 AD. The White Mughals is authored by William Dalrymple. Okay. The ratio of water to milk in a vessel A is 4 is to 3 and vessel B is 2 is to 3. In which ratio by which they should be mixed so that the to obtain a final mixture of 1 is to 1 ratio. This is a very simple basic alligation problem. You can see the water here. The quantity of water here in vessel A is 4 by 7 liter, since 4 is to 3 is given, and in vessel B it is 2 is to 5. And what they are asking for half portion of water as well as milk. So this is very simple. If we subtract 1 by 2 from 2 by 5 and here 4 by 7, we will get two values here. Sorry, that will be 2 by 5 and 1 by 2, 4 by 7 minus 1 by 2. Actually, we need to take the mod value. Answer will always be the same. So it will come 1 by 10 and this will come 1 by 14. So x is to y will be equals to 1 by 10 is to 14 is to 1, that is 7 is to 5. So we need to take the ratio as 7 is to 5 to make this mixture C, which has a ratio of 1 is to 1. Okay, how many zeros will be there in 100 factorial? This is a very good question, and a very short trick is there. If someone is asking you about k factorial, suppose, so what you have to add, you just need to divide it by 5, the factorial which is there, the 5 square, the 5 cube, and so on till the time it is valid. Suppose 100 is there, so the answer for that is 100 upon 5 plus 100 upon 25 plus 100 upon 125. This is not possible, so these two values are only acceptable. That is 20 plus 4. Therefore 24 zeros will be there in 100 factorial. For any other number you can also calculate this. For suppose 200 factorial is asked to you, so that will be equals to 100 by 5 plus 100 by 5 square. Oh, sorry, 200 by 5, 200 by 5 square, 200 by 5 cube. And if you add all these, the primary number, that will be equals to 20 plus 4 plus 1. So that will be equals to 25 zeros will be there in 200 factorial. Okay. So thank you so much. This is all we have about INET examination. Keep loving and supporting us.